Question 5. Rogers carried out an experiment to measure the diameters of 20 spherical dust particles in microns. So calculate an estimate for the mean. Okay, so to get the mean, right, from here, from a table, it's estimate. Okay, so here it says you've got frequency of 2. So there's 2 of them. They've got a diameter between 1 and 2, right? Now, and we've got 6 of them. Then we've got a diameter between 2 and 4. Now, to get the mean, we've just got to estimate here a value. Okay, that represents these 2 and represents these 6. In this case, if you've got 2 that have got a measurement between 1 and 2, we go in the middle, right? You always go in the middle, go for the midpoint to estimate it. So then this here will be 3, midpoint here is 4.5, midpoint here is 7. Okay, so if you get the midpoints, then you could say, look, I got two here that have got a diameter of 1.5. I've got 6 spherical dust particles here that have got a diameter of about 3. It's an estimate, yeah? You've got 8 that have got a diameter of 4.5, and so on. Now, to get a mean, you need to add them all up, divide by how many is there. If you've got 2 of them there, okay, that have got diameters of 1.5, well, that would be 2 lots of 1.5, okay? And then you've got 6 of them that have got a diameter of 3, so 6 times 3, so you times in these, and then you've got 8 that are a diameter of 4.5, and then you've got 4 that are a diameter of 7, okay? So you times them. Okay, times them together, and then add them up, and then divide, of course, then by how many are there. So if we add up the frequencies, that tells you how many are there, and they say up there as well as 20. Okay, so you work this out, work the top out. So that's going to be 3 plus 18 plus then 8 times 4.5, 36 plus 28, all over then 20. Okay, so add the tops up. 3 plus 18 plus 36 plus 28 is 85. 85 divided by 20. So work that out on your calculator. Well, 85 divided by, just use a calculator to do it, you get 4.25, okay, microns. That's the measure there. Okay, Rodri measures the diameters of another 25 dust particles. Rodri's told the ratio of dust particles with diameter less than 4 microns to these with diameter greater than or equal to 4 microns is 7 to 8. Okay, he finds this fact is true when he considers all 45 dust particles. How many of the extra 25 dust particles have a diameter of less than 4 microns? Okay, so this ratio here, right, this ratio here is looking at all of the particles put together. Not just this new 25, not just these, but the 20 that came before, okay? So, in the ratio is comparing the diameters that are less than 4 and or more than 4, okay? So, what we can do is, we can actually work out, of these 45 particles, we can work out how many are less than 4, or how many are more than 4. So because you've got a ratio there, 7 to 8, we can add them together. 7 plus 8 is 15. So, you add up to see how many parts there are in total, 15 parts, okay? And then, you then divide the 45 particles by the 15, so you get 3, okay? So you get 3. So in other words, 1 part is equal to 3, right? Is equal to 3 particles, dust particles. So you've got 7 then on this side. So 7 then, remember each part represents 3 particles. So 7 lots of 3 is 21. Okay, so 21 particles are going to be less than 4 microns. Okay. 21 particles are less than 4 microns from here, and of course then there'll be 24 because there's 8 parts there, 8 times 3 will be 24 particles then that are more than 4 microns. But that doesn't matter, that's not important, because it says here, how many of the extra 25 dust particles have a diameter of less than 4 microns, okay? Well, of all of them put together, we've got 21 that are less than 4 microns. And if we go up to the top now and see here how many were less than 4 microns here, well, that would be all of these put together, yeah? You'd have 6 here that would be between 2 and 4 microns, and then the 2 then from the earlier, from the smaller amount. So in total here, you've got 8 of you. So in the first set of 20, Okay, you've got 8 that were less than 4 microns. Okay, so that means then, if you've got 21 that are less than 4 microns and they're all together, we can see then that they're going to be, take them away, going to be 13 in the second group. Okay, 13 that were less than 4 microns. Okay, in the second group of 25.